Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day guys. Welcome back to another video about Dogecoin guys. In this video I'm talking about the currently price update of Dogecoin. What's the price changes occurring in the Dogecoin? Let me show you guys. But if you are new here, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly subscribe now for more news and update videos. At this time guys, if you talk about the currently price of Dogecoin in the market, so as you can see here, 0.260121 USD dollar, that is the current price of Dogecoin in the market. Other side, if you talk about the changes update of Dogecoin, so now the last 1 hour update is about negative 0.3%. The last 1 day, last 1 week changes occurring in the Dogecoin is completely positive. That means that in a previous time from last 7 days, Dogecoin is in the huge profit. Unfortunately, now just in the last 60 minutes, the changes of Dogecoin is going negative and everything going crazy. But don't worry, guys, everything will be okay. You have to just wait. Everything takes time, guys. So I recommend for all of you guys, for especially for holders, as you can see here, that is the last 1 day price chart. As you can see, Dogecoin taken a huge pump and quick jump. So guys, I believe that possibilities now, it is the last of October. So my prediction is 80 to 90% positive about Dogecoin. As I also predicated in my previous videos, that possibilities that in the last of October, Dogecoin will price will highly pump. So now as you can see, you're already a huge pump, a quick jump is taken by Dogecoin in the previous last 2 hour. And guys, I believe that huge pump is coming, so that's why I recommend for all of you that it's holding time, it's buying time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.